Two friends after a football match. That was a great match today. Yes, it was amazing. The training was good too. Yeah, we played really well. Your goal was fantastic. Thanks, I was lucky. No, you weren't. It was a perfect shot. Maybe a little luck helped. We need to call John. Oh, right. About next week? Yes, we play again next Saturday. Do you think he can join us? I hope so. We need one more player. I will text him later. Good idea. So, how was your date yesterday? Oh, wow. It was great. Really? Tell me everything. She is amazing. Come on, tell me more. She is very beautiful. She has beautiful eyes. What color? Green. Very bright green. Nice. And? She is very intelligent. We talked for hours. About what? About travel, books, and university. What does she study? She studies medicine. Wow, that's impressive. I know. Where is she from? She's from Sicily. Sicily? That's cool. Yes, she moved here last year. And you really like her? Yes, I think I do. Are you going to see her again? I hope so. We plan to meet on Friday. That's great, man. I'm happy for you. Thanks. I can't stop thinking about her. Wow, you are in trouble. Maybe, but it's a good kind of trouble. I want to meet her one day. Maybe soon. First, let's win next week's match. Yes, football first, love later. Deal. Deal.
At the shoe store.
Excuse me, do you have these shoes in size 7?
Let me check in the system. One moment, please.
Okay, thank you.
I am sorry, we don't have size 7. This is a very popular model.
Oh no, I really wanted them.
I understand. Many customers ask for this model.
That is a pity. I like them very much.
Would you like to see something similar?
Maybe, but I really wanted this exact model.
I understand. Let me check other stores. Please wait a moment.
Of course, thank you.
Good news! Another store has your size.
Really? That is great news.
Yes, they have the last pair in size 7.
Wow, lucky me. Where is the store?
It is on King Street, near the post office.
Is it far from here?
No, it is quite close. About 10 minutes by bus.
That's good.
You can also walk, but it takes about 25 minutes.
I will take the bus.
Good idea.
Do you know which bus goes there?
Yes, bus number 12. The stop is just outside this mall.
Okay, bus number 12.
Get off at the 5th stop. The store will be on your left.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Would you like me to call the store for you?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
I will ask them to keep the shoes for you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. One moment. I will call now.
Okay.
More good news. They will keep the shoes for you until this evening.
That is amazing. You made my day.
I'm happy to help.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you get your shoes.
I will go there now. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Online grocery shopping. I am ordering groceries online. Do you need anything?
Yes, I need my favorite shower gel. It's finished.
Okay, I will add it to the cart. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
What do you want for dinner today?
I feel like eating chicken.
Good idea. I will add chicken. What vegetables do we need?
Maybe carrots and broccoli.
Okay, carrots and broccoli added.
Let's get tomatoes too.
Yes, good for salad. I will add tomatoes.
Do we have juice?
No, we don't. Which juice do you want?
Orange juice, please.
Okay, orange juice added.
Maybe apple juice too.
Good idea. I will add apple juice. Do we need fruit?
Yes, let's buy bananas.
Bananas added. Anything sweet?
Maybe some chocolate.
Okay, 1 chocolate bar. Done. The order is ready.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Dinner will be tasty today.
Yes, I cannot wait.
At the drugstore. Excuse me, I am looking for toothpaste. Can you help me?
Sure, it is on aisle 3.
Thank you.
I am looking for shampoo. Have you seen it?
Yes, I just picked some. It is in the next aisle. My favorite is strawberry.
Oh, strawberry. I have never tried it. I like strawberries.
You must try it. They also have other scents.
Really? Which ones?
Coconut, lavender, and peach.
Great. I love coconut. I will take the coconut one this time.
Good choice.
I also need shower gel.
It is next to the shampoo.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
How is your day going?
Very good. I just came back from work and I am doing some quick shopping. How about you?
Same here. Where do you work?
I am a dance teacher.
Oh, that sounds great. I cannot dance.
You are welcome to my dance school. Here is my business card.
Oh, amazing. I will definitely come. Thank you.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too.
Room service, ordering breakfast. Hello, I would like to order breakfast to my room, please.
Hello? Of course. What would you like for breakfast?
I would like 2 coffees, 2 eggs, and some bread, please.
Okay. Would you like butter and jam with the bread?
Yes, please.
Any milk or sugar for the coffee?
Just milk, please. No sugar.
Anything else?
I am allergic to nuts. Can you make sure nothing has nuts?
Yes, no problem. All your food will be nut-free.
Thank you. Can I also have some fruit?
Of course. What kind of fruit would you like?
Apples and bananas, please.
Okay. Would you like juice too?
Yes, orange juice, please.
All right. What time would you like your breakfast?
At 8 o'clock, please.
Okay. Your breakfast will arrive at 8 in your room.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
2 friends in a cafe. The weather is beautiful today. Yes, it's perfect. I love sunny days. Me too. I'm glad we came here. Same. It's my first time in this cafe. Really? It's my first time too. That's funny. The coffee is very good. Yes, it's delicious. What did you order? A latte. And you? Cappuccino. I like it a lot. Good choice. So, how are your studies? They're okay. I'm a bit tired. Why? Too much homework? Yes, and many projects. Same here. This semester is busy.
What are you studying now?
Marketing.
Nice. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. It's interesting. And you?
I study business management.
Oh, that's cool.
I hope to work in a big company one day. That sounds great. What about you?
I want to work in social media. That's perfect for you. I hope so.
Do you want to work in this city?
Maybe, but I also want to travel.
Really? Where? Maybe Spain or Italy? Wow, that sounds amazing.
And you? Do you want to move?
Yes, I do. I want a new start.
That's exciting.
A little scary, too.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thanks. It's nice to talk about this.
Yes, and good coffee helps.
Definitely.
In a laundromat. Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Of course.
What do you need?
It's my first time here, and I don't know how to use this washing machine.
Don't worry, it's actually very easy.
Really? It looks a bit complicated.
It looks complicated, but it's simple once you know how it works.
Okay, so what should I do first?
First, you need to put your clothes inside the machine.
Should I separate the white and dark clothes?
Yes, that's a good idea. It's better to wash them separately.
And where do I put the detergent?
You put it in this small drawer at the top.
How much detergent should I use?
Just a small amount is enough for one wash.
All right. And how much does one wash cost?
It costs $5 for one cycle.
Is that for all programs?
Yes, the price is the same for every program.
How do I pay? Can I use my card?
Yes, you can pay with a card or with coins.
That's good. How long does the wash take?
It usually takes about 30 minutes.
That's not too long.
No, it's quite fast compared to older machines.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
At home, the dishwasher is broken. I think the dishwasher is broken.
Really? But it worked yesterday.
Yes, yesterday it was fine. Today, it doesn't start at all.
Did you check if it is plugged in?
Yes, I checked everything. It just doesn't work.
That is strange.
I tried to turn it on 3 times, but nothing happened.
Maybe we need to call someone to repair it.
Yes, I think that is the best idea.
Do you have the phone number of a repair service?
Not yet. I can look for one online.
Good idea. I don't want to wash all the dishes by hand.
Me neither. There are already so many plates in the kitchen.
Let's call someone tomorrow morning.
Okay, I will check the prices tonight.
I hope it is not too expensive.
I hope so too. Choosing a birthday gift. Mom's birthday is soon.
Yes, next week. We need a gift.
Do you have an idea?
Maybe perfume? She likes perfume.
Dad is buying her perfume.
Oh, I did not know.
We should choose something else.
Yes, what do you suggest?
I saw beautiful earrings yesterday.
Earrings? That sounds nice.
They were simple and elegant.
Mom likes simple things.
Yes, and she does not have new earrings.
Good point. Where did you see them?
In the jewelry shop near the bakery.
Are they expensive?
Not too expensive, $50.
That is okay. We can share the cost.
Great, she will love them.
What color were they?
Silver with small stones.
Mom loves silver jewelry.
Yes, she wears silver very often.
Should we buy a gift box too?
Yes, a nice box would be perfect.
Maybe we can also buy flowers.
Good idea. Mom loves flowers.
Roses or tulips?
She loves roses, pink roses.
Okay, earrings and pink roses.
Perfect gift.
When do we go shopping?
Tomorrow afternoon?
That works for me.
Great. Mom will be very happy.
Yes, she will.